show you what's going on. So this is our buddy Chris Law's Mini, and you just saw the motor coming out because we're gonna separate it from the transmission or gearbox, and we're gonna put this in there. Now, what is this? Apparently, it wasn't loud enough for Chris. Now we're gonna make it really loud. So we had straight cut drop gears in there, and he was not happy with second gear crunch. I replaced the second gear and the bulk ring, but it still crunched. When you're really, driving in anger, you put it in second. So he said, what if we just do full straight cuts? Not just the drops, but the entire transmission. So what we have here is a jackknife close ratio straight cut gear set. And this is about to go in there, and this is just sexy and noisy. If you like that noise, I do, and so does Chris. And, well, here it goes. Let's do it. All right, you guys, I want to show you something. So follow me. We're getting deep inside of Chris's transmission right here. This is a genuine Cooper S 4-synchro gearbox, and we're going to put the straight cuts in it, but I want to show you what we put in there. Ryan, can you hand me that? Look what Ryan has here in his hand. This is a magnetic trap that we put on the oil pickup just prior to the oil pump. Now, we haven't wiped it off yet, and this is a fresh motor. This is not old. This is the metal that got trapped by the magnet just prior to the oil pump. So how important are these little magnetic traps that go on the backside of the transmission right before the oil pump? Really important. Okay, it is finished. We did it. We did all the little doodads and all the little things that Chris asked us to tidy up and finish up for him, like the classic Smith's tachometer, the boot strap, a straight cut gearbox. Anyway, it's all ready to go. It's getting put on a boat and heading back to the UK. So going back to the motherland. All right, we'll see you on the next one.